Let's watch TV and hope there won't be another tornado. Switching to Brian in 3, 2, 1, 0.
Oh, 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 oh. Not another tornado. Oh, 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 ja, ra, 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 oh, 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 oh. Anyways, switching back to Professor in 3, 2, 1, 0.
Let's go to the attic for the third time. I think I can hear the tornado.
Phew. We made it.
Let's go get a TV, a bed, some DVDs, and food.
Patrick, do you want to come and get them with me?
Okay.
Now we will have enough food to last us for 2 weeks. There's more behind us.
Oh no.
The tornado is coming near us.
No.
Hide.
Okay, 11 more days then the tornado will be gone. 8 more days to go. 2 more days to go. Switching to Kadaroo in 3, 2, 1, 0.
Yay, yay! Yo, yay, 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 yay! We survived 3 times in a row and didn't die!
Thanks for watching my third tornado warning.